Hey, welcome back. Alex here, Dave, Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Again, we want to just show you some stuff that we have that we like to talk about. Yes, you're in my office. Messy desk, messy office. It is what it is, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So Dave, Colts, we talked about a couple revolvers earlier. What are we talking about now? What do we have?
This desk is actually cleaned up compared to what it usually is.
Because she wanted to be able to see over the mound of stuff. Yeah, I have stuff. Look, check this out. Look, knives, some weird extended magazine, a prototype holster, a couple used optics, coffee cup that's purple. Pretty cool. Back to the Colts.
Anyway, this one is a bright polished stainless Colt government model. People love these.
Here, I'll hold it over here and you can talk about it.
People love those, but we can't get them. Colt has one polisher that's capable of doing that kind of work, and he's covered up. Mm-hmm. So about once a year, we'll get maybe one or two of those, and we got this one this time. It's just a government model, stainless,
so
but it is pretty.
It is a standard government model, which is a 5-inch model, right?
Yeah.
All right, so standard government model, but it's in a high polish. Again, not something we're going to have all the time, because I've seen this before in maybe a different model. I can't remember, what, 38 Super? Didn't we have one before in like a 38 Super? That was
they make them in 38 Super and 45.
Okay. So you can kind of see it just has standard government sights on it.
Yeah, but nice roll mark on the side that's facing us.
All right, well, move that around so you guys can see. This will be a great 1911 to add to your collection. Again, not something that you're going to see a lot, not something we're going to have in a lot, especially with the bright polish. So explain this a little bit to me. So they don't do this bright polish very often. You said that they do, very rarely do they do it, but they do it with one guy, right?
Yeah,
but they do
one guy.
They do the actual barrel, they do the slide, they do the frame, they do everything, right?
Well, they don't do the barrel. I mean, that's just a standard barrel hood.
Oh, is it? With it being that bright?
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know that. Here, if you guys can see, it is bright. Compared this to this, pretty bright. Now, he's going to show another one to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's compare. I don't know, man. It's pretty bright.
Yeah, they might have polished it a little, but it's not to the same level as the gun, I don't think.
Okay. So, this comes in a standard Colt box. One magazine, I'm assuming?
Yep, one magazine.
One mag. What were the grips? We have checkered grips, but they're probably what? Walnut, I'm guessing?
Walnut or rosewood.
Rosewood. Okay. So, anything else you want to talk about with the bright polished 1911?
Not really. I mean, you can take it out and shoot it. You know, it can be your barbecue gun to carry when you're, wanting to show off to your friends, or you can just put it in a case and look at it.
It would be a cool one on a special occasion to carry, but I couldn't imagine carrying it every day because I'm sure you're going to scratch this one.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll bring some other cool Colts to you here soon. Don't forget, like our page. Make sure you leave comments if there's other stuff you want to check out. We got nothing but time. We'll be glad to show you anything. And as always, check out our website at topguns.us. Hit on the summer sales, whatever we have going on, the hot deals. Most of the stuff will be on there most of the time, as long as Dave reminds me. All right, see you guys.